I am so lucky to be with the Igorot Dreamers na group, and napakasaya because it is a rare opportunity to be with yung mga large vloggers ng Baguio. But here, dito ang favorite spot ko sa Mines View Coffee Place. So, bakit? It's because you can see, ayan yung Mines View. Literal na Mines View at my back. So, medyo umuulan ngayon but very calming ang view. So we are now here gathered with the Igorot Dreamers na mga malalaking tao sa Igorot Dreamers community. Ayan. So andito lang ako sa isang corner, nahihirap. Anyway, I'm so happy to be here because nagkaroon ako ng chance to meet some of yung mga members, mga bigating members ng Igorot Dreamers. Ayan. Say hello.
Hello. Actually, what's your channel, guys? Subscribe to Sense.
What is your channel?
Sense World.
What is the spelling of your channel?
XENN space S space World.
Okay, so subscribe to his channel, guys. So say hello.
Hello.
Okay. Sige lang. Pizza. Bago kami aalis dito, medyo na-amaze kami dito sa chandelier. Ayan, ng E-Vice building dito sa Mines View. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Yun nga lang, kailangan mo ng space para makapag-install ka ng ganito sa place nyo. Oo. So, dispersing time, pakada tayo aming nga agsisinag. Kakadwa tayo manon. Kakadwa tayo manon no maminsan po. O, di ba? So, ayan, goodbye. We will see each other again. Ayan, bisida. So, kaintay yun. This is Mines View Park kapag walang mga turista from local or international sources. So, it's not as crowded as before. But, syempre, ayan, may kita mo na medyo nagpa-fog. Yun nga lang, hindi bumababa yung fog. So, ayan yung Mines View over here. So, dyan lagi pupunta yung mga tourist. And we have here yung market. Dito ka magma-market. And then, sa likod is yung mga condominiums or mga apartment. Ayan. And then, over here, mga new apartments. So, dyan pwede magstay sa mga local or international tourists. So dito tayo sa sa paradahan ng Bukawkan papuntang Trinidad, and nakapila po tayo ngayon. So andyan yung sasakyan namin na jeep na bound for Buyagan, and here is Mami Mercy. Ayan. Ayan, naka-flash yung channel niya. So subscribe her channel. Ayan, para for more fun videos.
Tumay dyan may isa? Kita pa iba?
I am now at home. Pero napansin ko since nasa Mines View ako, yung view is parang may haze. So as you can see, parang it's fog like that. Parang may fog. Napansin ko yan pati sa Baguio City Limit. May mga parang haze. And then yung amoy is like may nasusunog. I'm not sure kung baka ito nga yung sulfur dioxide na release ng Taal Volcano na biglang dumating dito. So, ano lang, isip ko lang yon. So, ayan, yung parang haze talaga siya. And yung smell is really like parang may nagsusunog ng wood. Ganun yung amoy niya since morning pa. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Pero anyway, I love hanging out with the Igorot Dreamers because it is my first time to be with yung mga bigating vloggers ng dito sa amin sa Cordillera, and it is a pleasure meeting with you if you're still watching until this part of the video, and I hope to meet with you soon. Parang nabitin ako sa time na yon because in the first place may duty ako mamaya. I need to prepare myself before duty. Mapapasabak na naman tayo sa COVID ward. I'm hoping na may second meeting. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. So if you are new to my channel, just don't forget to subscribe my two YouTube channels. Dalawa po ang YouTube channels natin, The Star of Anthony and The Star of Anthony Vlogs. And if you have any comments or suggestion, mag-comment down below lang kayo dyan. And always stay safe and have a good day. Mwah!